Lowercase letter W. The lowercase letter W begins with an undercurve, slant, undercurve, slant, undercurve, and then what's called a check stroke, right towards the top. Most oftentimes you'll hear teachers, we call it a tail. It's actually called a check stroke. I learned something new. Undercurve, slant, undercurve, slant, undercurve, check stroke. The purpose of this tail or check stroke is to lead into another word, or excuse me, another letter. W's can be tricky because when you connect with the next letter, you're connecting at the top. So let's practice a few more. Undercurve, slant, undercurve, slant, undercurve, check stroke. Don't pass that halfway point in your line. The W follows the U for a reason. If I cover up the tail end of that W, you can see the letter U. All it is adding another undercurve and then finishing up at the top of the letter. So we have we, W. Now you're connecting up top, looping back, E. Went, W, connect up top, E, loop back, N, T. Lift up your pencil, cross your T. Win, W, lead right into the I from your check stroke, N. Notice you do not come back down. You connect up top. Wilt, a flower wilts, W-I-L-T. Will, W-I-L-L. Come back and dot your I. Wit, W-I-T. Cross your T, dot your I. Do you notice how I formed this W? As you learn cursive, you're going to begin to develop your own style. My natural style when a word begins with the letter W is not to start at the base line. I actually start right in that center, and I start off with the initial check stroke. Then I lead right into my W. And then this part will eventually connect with another letter. So you can go ahead and practice both ways. So again, I'll redo will, W, connect up top I, L, L. But then you also have where you begin at the baseline with your undercurve. Undercurve slant, undercurve slant, undercurve, I, L, L.